Hey everybody, so today I've got some typing exercises for you, and this is Unit 1 on Quick QWERTY, QWERTY. If you take a look on your keyboard, that's the first few letters. That's how a standard keyboard is set up. And what this is it's learning the home keys, ASDF. If your your left hand, your left index finger is on the F, you'll see a little bump there on the key, and you know you're on the home keys. And for your right hand, you put your index finger on the J. So ASDF, and then semicolon LKJ. That's from right to left. We'll go over this on Zoom, but this is how it works. You want to practice typing quickly. So here it is. Ready, go. Okay, start again. Here it is. ASDF space, semicolon, LKJ space, ASDF space, semicolon. Whoops, I made an error. See, I pressed the quote instead of the semicolon. So I go back and then I press semicolon, LKJ, AS. Whoop, I forgot the space. So I go back. And this is how it works. ASDF space, semicolon, LKJ space, ASDF space, semicolon, LKJ space. So basically, you do this again and again, and you notice you're not looking at the keys. And then when you want to try a little harder, go down to, say, Unit 7. Okay, so the F and the T are near each other, and this trains your fingers. Okay, FT, FT space. And also the J and the Y are near each other. J, Y, space. Whoop, I'll hit J again. FT, FT, space. JY, JY, space. FT, FT, space. JY, JY, space. Whoop, I made a mistake. That was a semicolon. So essentially, this trains your fingers and trains your brain to tell your fingers where the keys are. And over time, you look at the keyboard less when you type. That's the whole idea. So you can see this was a good exercise for me as well. I've been typing for years, but always good to do a little practice, and it saves you so much time, especially when you get to college and got a lot of long papers to write. Do not waste time staring at those keys. Okay, we'll go over this together. Enjoy the exercise.